Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area, after Russia, and also has the longest coastline. It is home to around 2 million, and about 45% of its land is covered by forests. Canada has two official languages, English and French, with about 25% of the population speaking French, mostly in Quebec. Manitoba is known as the polar bear capital of the world. Ice hockey is Canada's most loved sport. It is the official summer sport. Canada was once considered a dream country for many people due to its low population, high quality of life, multicultural society, safety, and accessible PR process. It remained one of the most preferred countries for immigration for many years. However, in recent times, many people have started avoiding moving to Canada for the following reasons. High cost of living, rent and house prices have skyrocketed in major cities like Toronto and Vancouver. Groceries, fuel, and utilities have also become much more expensive, making it difficult for immigrants to survive. Job market issues. Many skilled immigrants struggle to find suitable jobs, even part-time ones. Employers often demand Canadian work experience, which newcomers lack. As a result, even people with strong academic backgrounds end up working in delivery services, warehouse, or other survival jobs. Many feel overqualified and undervalued. Overloaded immigration system. Canada welcomes over 1 million newcomers annually, leading to overcrowding in popular cities. Immigrants are beginning to blame the system for accepting people without proper planning for housing and jobs. Healthcare system problems. Although Canada offers free healthcare, the waiting times to see a doctor or have surgery can exceed 3 months. Many people can't even find a family doctor, and emergency rooms are often overcrowded. Extreme weather. Canadian winters can be long, dark, and freezing. Many immigrants, especially from warmer countries, experience seasonal depression or discomfort. Loneliness and cultural adjustment. Newcomers often feel lonely, especially when moving without family. It can be hard to build a social circle or adapt to Canadian culture, which leads to mental stress. Unrealistic expectations. Many people move to Canada expecting a dream life, but face harsh economic and social realities. This results in disappointment and frustration. Migration to other countries. Due to these struggles, many immigrants are now moving to countries like the USA, Europe, or back to their home countries, where they feel more stable or successful. Others move to regions with lower taxes, better weather, and more affordable living. Many international students are also returning home due to visa fraud issues, lack of job opportunities, and high cost of living. Skilled IT workers are moving to places like Dubai or the USA in search of better salaries, lower taxes, and improved lifestyle. Before moving to Canada, think carefully. Many YouTubers and articles only speak about the positive side. Do your own research and consider important factors like cost of living, taxes, freedom and lifestyle, healthcare, weather, job opportunities, family support. Think twice before making the move. Compare Canada with your own country and decide what works best for your long-term future.